What's this?
It's a control arm.
What?
That's right. Today we're replacing the lower control arm on this 2009 Mitsubishi Galant. And as you can see, I have my little assistant helping out today. So instead of replacing just the bushings and ball joint using a press tool, I decided to replace the whole control arm for only $70 shipped. And it came with new bushings and ball joint. The purpose of the control arm is to attach the suspension components to the chassis and manage the motion of the wheel so that it synchronizes with the body of the car. The most common symptom associated with the worn out control arm bushing and failing ball joint is a vehicle that pulls to one side. You may also experience a vibrating steering wheel at highway speeds, but the most obvious sign is a clunk when you brake or accelerate from a stop. The first step is to jack up the car and support it with the jack stand, then remove the wheel. So here's our control arm that we'll be replacing today. You'll need a 22mm wrench to remove the nut on the ball joint. Then use a pickle fork to separate the joint from the knuckle. Then use a 19mm wrench to hold this nut still while using a 19mm socket to loosen the bolt. And this last bolt is a 19mm. Then grab a pry bar and use your imagination to get that control arm out. Then compare the old part to the new part to make sure the two are identical. Make sure you remove the protective cap from the ball joint before installation. You want to put this side in first because it goes in at an angle. Feed your bolt through and put your nut on to hold it in place, but don't tighten anything down yet. Then come put this side into place. You may need a hammer to speed up the process. I wonder where my assistant went.
Hi.
Then use your jack to lift the ball joint into place and put pressure on the control arm so it's under the weight of the vehicle. This will also prevent the ball stud from turning when you go to tighten that nut down. Now just tighten down all fasteners and put your wheel back on.
There.
You done?
Yep.
So this is the condition of the old control arm. The bushings weren't that bad, but this ball joint was completely shot. It's not supposed to be that easy to move.
Can I do it? If you like it, give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give a thumbs down.